Instantaneous velocity also refers to an interval of time and a distance covered through that interval of time. Delta x over delta t. But with instantaneous velocity, what we're really referring to is the limit as t goes to 0. Limit as t goes to 0. Infinitesimally small interval of time, how much distance is covered. That's velocity, as opposed to average velocity, and that's what we refer to when we write v. And so what we're really talking about is the derivative of x with respect to time, dx dt. So if we were to make an xt plot here, if this is x, and this is t, and we had some path. It looked something like this. Try to think about what this path actually translates to in real life as I'm drawing it. So if we started at the origin, somewhere that we've defined x equals 0 to be, and we start at t equals 0, we're starting at some position, and we start walking faster and faster in the positive x direction. And then we slow down at some positive x, and our velocity comes to a stop. Because we have positive velocity here, slope is positive, the derivative of this function would be positive at this point. But here, the slope is 0. The derivative is 0. And so our velocity is 0 at that point. So then we're in some positive x position, and we reverse and we start walking back towards the origin of position, back towards our original position. And so we're walking in a negative x direction, and so our velocity is negative here. And here, we keep walking, we don't stop. But we pass through our original point, so our velocity is still negative, but we continue walking with about the same velocity as before. And we continue our velocity into negative x territory, and our velocity is still negative because the slope is still negative, derivative is negative, we're still traveling. And then we slow down, and we come to a stop somewhere in this negative x position territory. And our velocity is 0 while we're stopped. And then we slowly start to increase, but in the opposite direction. Now the derivative is positive again, and we're walking in this positive x direction, back towards where we originally started. And then here we begin slowing down until we come to a stop again. And it just so happens we're coming to a stop just about where our original position was, maybe slightly in the positive x direction of it. Right. That's instantaneous velocity. See you in the next video.